chilly start to the month of May. Going back to your Monday, 38 degrees was your high, 33 for your low. So well below average for this time of the year, especially in the high department by a good 18 degrees, 13 degrees from the actual record low of 20 back in 1963. Sunset already occurring at 9:01 p.m. And looking at those temperatures today, we began to start warming up a little bit more into those 40s, 43 in Marquette and Munising, 49 in Iron Mountain, and even all the way up to Ontonagon. And we are going to continue to see those numbers even soar more so closer to normal as we go into your Wednesday. But those winds today, they've been really gusty. We have been seeing winds out of the north at 24 in Houghton, 20 in Marquette, 14 in Escanaba, and that's really caused it to be a big chill in the air. So those high temperatures were about a good 10 degrees colder when you factor in with that wind chill. Now going into tomorrow, weather will begin to improve. We will have a good amount of sunshine coming in through the entire region. Into your Thursday, we'll have a little bit more clouds coming in as a quick moving, weakening storm pushes through, but it's only going to bring just a couple of very hit and miss showers, just about a 10 to 20%. Pretty much it's going to get more clouds than anything else. But going into the weekend, no complaints whatsoever when it comes to the sky. But when it comes to that mercury, however, still want to hold on to those jackets. It's definitely not going to feel more like May. It's actually going to feel more like March with some of the temperatures we will be seeing as we go into the weekend. Now looking into your Wednesday, those spotty showers that will be invading on Thursday will be to the west of us, so pretty much affecting Minnesota all the way down to parts of Kansas. Overall for us, very dry, and we're finally going to begin to see a pattern more of some nicer weather as we go into the next 7 days. So that is excellent news. The jet stream making its way through a good portion of the plains and just to the south of our area. So that's going to keep us a little bit more on the cooler side of things as we go deeper into the weekend. But you can see, though, pretty dry on Wednesday. Clouds invading on Thursday. Small chance of a shower. Friday, overall, it will return back to sunnier conditions. You can see very little clouds through a good portion of the UP all the way through Minnesota and Iowa, so can't complain about that. Really bring out those shades, but just make sure to stay warm out there. 34 degrees for tonight. Decreasing clouds, winds out of the northwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Strongest winds will be occurring through the evening, but by the time we get towards the overnight hours, those winds will finally begin to relax as those clouds begin to exit. Tomorrow, with those winds relatively light, especially coming out of the southeast, temperatures are really going to make a very strong push towards those 60s, especially along the Wisconsin border. 64 in Crystal Falls and Iron Mountain. A little bit cooler towards the north, but still a good warm-up from what we're seeing today by a good 15 degrees, 58 in Houghton, 57 in Marquette, 53 in Escanaba, and just enjoy, go outside because it is going to be wonderful out there after seeing such gloomy days, especially going back to the very end of this weekend. Sunrise occurring at 6:32 a.m. Temperatures rising into those upper 50s to low 60s. 10% chance of rain on your Wednesday night going into very early Thursday morning, just with that spotty shower pushing through, and we'll keep that 10% chance going into your Thursday. Just a little bit more of an increase in those clouds to partly sunny, but going into your Friday, we'll go back to mostly sunny to sunny skies through the entire weekend. But as you can see, though, temperatures are going to be stuck in those 40s for at least a good portion of the 7-day forecast. Morning lows pretty much hovering on either side of the freezing mark. So no complaints when it comes to the sky, but just make sure to stay warm and stay bundled up.